I absolutely love my vacuum sealer machine. It works wonderful. I use it for meats, vegetables, sometimes fruits, and also cheese too. You know how sometimes you buy cheese in bulk because it's on sale, but you never have enough time to eat it all. So that is when I like to vacuum seal it. And it's just so simple to do. Now, you can either cut these rolls by hand with scissors, very simple to do, or if your machine has a cutter like mine does, you can use that as well. These rollers really come in handy because you can cut to size. I've also had the type that is pre-sized by itself, but I really like these because if you want to make something longer or shorter, you have the option to do that. So I'm going to cut it to about this length. That should be sufficient. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to seal the bag because right now it is open all the way. So I'm going to open up my vacuum sealer, and at the edge there is an area that seals it. So we're just going to put it on the seal only and let it do its magic. There it goes. Now we have a seal. So now we're able to put the cheese inside. And I have washed my hands, but I'm going to prefer to use this glove. And I'm going to open this up and put my cheese inside. And I absolutely love extra sharp cheddar cheese. So when it's on sale, I definitely like to buy a bunch. So now we're going to put it in the machine, and that way it's going to suck out all the air, and that's going to be the first vacuum seal, and then it's going to seal it. And now it's going to do a seal. Ta-da! Just like that, we have vacuumed it and then sealed it. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. So here's a close-up, and look at that vacuum seal. There is no air in there. Love it. Definitely recommend using a vacuum sealer machine as well as these vacuum sealer rolls, and I will put the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and hope you found this video helpful.